Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play with more than 4 friends on Peak game. If you want to invite more than 4 friends, you will need mods. So first of all, you need to go ahead to your browser and go to thunderstore.io, and you want to find BepInEx mod manager. So basically this allows you to use mods in Peak. After you will find it, you want to press manual download and save it to your desktop. And here you have it. After that, you want to go ahead and extract it. And once it was extracted, you will have it right there. Now, you need all of these files for now. You want to go back to Steam, right-click on Peak, Manage, and Browse Local Files. On here, you will see all of these files. What you want to do is go ahead and open up BepInEx XPack Peak, and you want to go ahead and drag all of these files to the Peak folder. Now, if you are on Windows 10, I believe, you will need all of these files, not only the specific folder, but all of these. So you want to just drag all of them for this to work. Now, after you will have it here, what you need to do now is press play on Peak, open it for a few seconds, and quit after that. So after this, just press quit. Now, after you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up again Browse Local Files, so Manage and Browse Local Files. And right there, you will see BepInEx folder, open it. And here you will see plugins. You want to go ahead and open this folder where you will add your plugin, your mod. So again, go back to the browser, go back to Thunderstore and scroll on the mods and find Peak Unlimited. This will basically allow you to play with friends. So just press manual download, and here is your folder. You want to go ahead again, extract all. And after you have extracted it, into the plugins folder, you want to go ahead and drag the file called peakunlimited.dll, drag it there. And again, you need to press play for this to start working. If you want to change the player's number or marshmallows, extra marshmallows, you want to go ahead again, go to Manage and Browse Local Files. Then go to BepInEx and go to Config. Here you will see Peak Unlimited as a CFG file, which you want to go ahead and open with a notepad. Once you will open it, you will see that you can change the maximum player's number. So just go ahead and change if you want to. And after that, you also can change extra marshmallows. So if you don't want them, you're gonna just enter false. After this, go ahead, exit, save, and play your Peak with more than 4 friends. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.